the old Netadmin versions, we saw that it was often the case that you missed information when you, for example, created a new service template or created a new customer or address. So what we did in Netadmin 9 was to introduce the concept of wizards, where you clearly have a process with multiple steps, and you get information on what information that is required and not. You can also create a new object or a new service based on already existing services, for example. In the old 8 series of Netadmin, when you got a customer on the phone and the customer wanted to, for example, disconnect some services and connect some new ones, you needed to do one service at a time. You need to disconnect the service, and then you need to do all the process all again with ordering a new service. In Netadmin 9 we have introduced something that we call a MultiTransactional Order, where you could add and remove services in one and the same process. This saves time, and it reduces hassles in the order process, more or less. In the Netadmin 8 series, if you would like to customize the graphical user interface, you couldn't be sure of whether that change or customization would still be there when you did an update or upgrade in that case. So what we did was to introduce a controlled manner to customize the graphical user interface using the concept of Netadmin apps, custom JavaScripts, and other types of functionality. That helped you to be sure that your customizations were still there once you have made an upgrade or update. With Netadmin 9 we have introduced what we call filters. You could create your own filter based on the data. You could also exclude and add different columns, so that you can get the relevant data for you as a user easy and fast. That saves time, more or less. That is one of many things that we have done to the Netadmin 9's graphical user interface, and we have worked on the overall feeling of the product, and the main goal was to be able to get the relevant information very quickly to help you with the repeated tasks on a daily basis.